Hey guys, this is Wes Bales and John Cook.
Hey guys.
From Angry Antler Outfitters. We're faced with a little problem. Here, I'll twist it around and show you kind of what we're working with here. On the southwest end of our property, we had, after our last windstorm and rainstorm, had some pine trees and a bunch of stuff blow across the main entrance that we can get to our food plots and mainly to get to our stands. So we got some work cut out for us. We'll see what happens. We got a chainsaw, we got some good work ethic, and we'll see what happens. Hopefully we need to get this opened up so that we can get a tractor through here because we're wanting to put a food plot in, and as you know, we're running late on getting our plots in.
Yeah, so we've had a lot of rain, and then these trees have caused us some issues. So now we have some decent weather. So now we got to really make up lost time.
Yeah. So follow us, and we'll see what happens.
Y'all
guys have
care.
A good day.
Ooh.